Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be setting up our KitchenAid mixer and getting ready to bake a dessert. So in this video, we're going to be making the dessert and using this brand new KitchenAid mixer. Now we ended up getting the 4.5 quart KitchenAid, which is the smaller one of the KitchenAids. We've cut the tape open. We're going to unbox it here. See how it looks. So we went with the color they call pistachio. It almost looks like a mint green color. I don't know if you can see that or not. But I got the tape broke loose here. Let's open it up and see what she looks like. So, I'm guessing this shows you the different attachments that you can get for it, which I do not have. Let's see if we can get this thing out of here. Oh God. This thing is super heavy.
Can I help you?
Yeah, pull the box down. Pull the box down. There we go.
Yay.
Don't break that. Or that.
Daddy, give me my candy.
All right. Very well built. We've never had one of these before. So
Yes, because we never
I want to
seen
give
one
them a
before.
try, see what they're like. I know that you can add all these different attachments and stuff on these fronts. Cheese graters, pasta makers, all that kind of stuff. I did get the tilting one, so it'll tilt out of the way, I guess, for the bowl. It comes with 3 attachments. I'm guessing a dough hook, a whisk, and what would this thing be called?
Maybe you have to like put on the top of here.
Some kind of beater. I don't know. But either way, we're going to get this thing cleaned because I'm not buying this from the store and not cleaning it. I'm going to clean it before I use it. And then we'll get back to you. So the dessert that we're going to be making today is chest bars or ooey gooey butter cake, whatever you want to call it. So things you're going to need. You're going to need, for your cake mixture, you're going to need 3 eggs, a box of yellow cake mix, and a stick of butter. For your sugar layer, you're going to need a half of a bag of powdered sugar, 1 egg, a dash of vanilla, and a block of cream cheese, softened. So we're going to mix all this in this mixer, and we're going to do the top or the cake mix part first, and get it put in the pan, and then we'll start on our icing layer. So we're going in with our yellow cake mix. Three eggs. So we've got a stick of butter here. We're going to put it in the microwave and melt it down before we put it into our mixture. And we're going to add this hook on here because we don't really know which one to use yet. Since this is our first time using this, get it down there. We're going to try that one, see how it works. We've been stirring about 30 seconds. Just want to make sure that we got everything, all the cake mix mixed in, and it seems like it done a Good job. Oh, there's some. So we're gonna go a few more seconds. Spray your pan. Then put your mixture in. And once you have your cake mixture in the pan, you want to smooth it out until you've got it, the whole bottom side of it covered. So by half a bag of powdered sugar, you can take and measure that just by grabbing around halfway of it, pouring out one side or the other. That's your half a bag of powdered sugar. I've already got one open. That's a half a bag. That's what I'm going to use. So we're not cleaning this. We're just going to add this in. One stick of cream cheese, softened cream cheese, and a dash of vanilla, and 1 egg. We're going to use a duck egg. Once you get that done, you're going to pour it out right on top and then spread it out. Now that you've got everything spread out fairly evenly, you're going to put it in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes and then cook for 45 to 50 minutes on 325 after the 10 minutes. Then after your next 45 minutes, that's what we cooked it for, 45 more minutes, 325. This is what you got. We'll let it cool down. If you want to hurry that process up, put it in the refrigerator. I like them cold, so refrigerator is going to work for me. Give this a try, and we'll see you on the next video.